In this video, I'm going to talk about how to install Microsoft Visual Studio Code in quick and easy steps, no matter if you are using Windows, Mac or Linux. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do is you need to open your browser and look for VS Code. So I'm going to simply type here VS Code and hit enter. Now all you need to do is you need to visit this page. And again, as usual, I'm going to also provide you this page link in the description of this video. If you face any problem, simply go there and click on that link. Now, what you need to do is you need to simply click on download. And this VS Code site is smart enough to provide you the correct download link based on your operating system. However, if in case you do not see it, then let me actually open separately. Here you can choose it based on your operating system. So Mac users can download Mac, Linux users can download Linux, and Windows users can download it for Windows. And the good thing here is it is also available for several hardware. For example, if somebody is using new chip that is ARM based, so they can download this ARM based version as well. And if you are confused enough, simply go back and download it from here. Now here we can see the process of download has begun. And there we go. We have successfully downloaded it. So what you need to do is, if in case you are not using a dedicated download manager, you need to go on the top in downloads, and here you should be able to see your VS Code editor got downloaded. After it got downloaded, all you need to do is make a double click on it, click on I accept, click next. And then if you also want to create a desktop icon, select this option as well. Now click next, install, and wait for like 1 minute. And in just under 1 minute, we can see here, we have successfully downloaded and installed Visual Studio Code in our Windows 11 device. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on finish, and there we go. So here you can see we have successfully installed Microsoft Visual Studio Code in a Windows device. Hope you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic to see more such content related to productivity, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.